How to attract friends with the law of attraction. Welcome to the Imagination Effect, my channel about the law of attraction, assumption, all things Neville Goddard, and the power of your imagination. I'm Alice in Wonderland, your lovely host, with the best law of attraction tips for you. Have you ever wanted to know about attracting friends? Today, we're going to talk about attracting friends with the law of attraction. Friends are an important part of our lives. They provide us with love, support, and companionship. But sometimes it can be difficult to make new friends, especially as we get older. If you're looking to attract new friends into your life, the law of attraction can help. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. This means that if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings about friendship, you will attract positive experiences and relationships into your life. Here are a few tips on how to attract friends with the law of attraction. Be clear about what you want. What kind of friends are you looking for? What qualities do you want in a friend? Once you know what you want, write it down and start visualizing yourself surrounded by friends who possess those qualities. Focus on positive thoughts and feelings. When you think about friendship, focus on positive feelings such as love, joy, and gratitude. This will help attract positive friendships into your life. Visualize yourself surrounded by friends. One of the most powerful ways to attract friends is to visualize yourself already surrounded by the friends you want. Imagine yourself spending time with your friends, laughing, having fun, and supporting each other. Affirm your friendships. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. To attract friends, repeat affirmations such as, I have many loving and supportive friends, I am grateful for my friendships, and I attract new friends into my life easily and effortlessly. Take action. The law of attraction is not a magic bullet. You still need to take action to create the life you want. This means putting yourself out there and meeting new people. Join clubs or groups that interest you, volunteer your time, or take a class. The more opportunities you create to meet new people, the more likely you are to attract new friends into your life. Here are some additional tips for attracting friends with the law of attraction. Be yourself. People are drawn to those who are authentic and genuine. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Be open to new friendships. Don't be afraid to talk to new people and make new friends. The more people you meet, the more likely you are to find friends who are a good match for you. Be a good friend. Give as much as you receive in your friendships. Be supportive, caring, and understanding. When you are a good friend to others, they are more likely to be good friends to you. Conclusion: attracting friends with the law of attraction takes time and effort, but if you are consistent with your practices, you will eventually see results. Just remember to be clear about what you want, focus on positive thoughts and feelings, visualize yourself surrounded by friends, affirm your friendships, and take action. With the law of attraction, you can create the life of your dreams, including a rich and fulfilling social life. Developing friendships is an essential part of human life, and it is always worth the effort. However, it can be challenging to attract friends if you are not in the right mindset. That is why the law of attraction can be an effective tool in creating a positive and abundant social life. To attract friends, you need to cultivate positive energy within yourself. This means focusing on the things you want in life rather than what you lack. By visualizing yourself surrounded by friends, you can begin to attract the right people into your life. It is also essential to affirm your friendships even before they manifest. This means telling yourself that you already have the friends you desire and that they are on their way to you. Finally, taking action is vital when it comes to attracting friends. This means putting yourself out there and being open to meeting new people. Join clubs or groups that interest you, attend social events, and be approachable. With consistent effort and positive energy, you can create a rich and fulfilling social life through the law of attraction. Thank you for watching the video about attracting friends with the law of attraction. You can share your personal law of attraction experiences in the comments, and I can make a video about them too. Please subscribe to the Imagination Effect, like this video, and share it with your loved ones, and I will continue to bring you the best manifestation videos. Stay powerful and practice the power of your imagination.